Welcome back, everybody. I am up to some more things today. Today we're building this deck system with a ladder. Funny enough, I scored that ladder on Marketplace for 200 bucks. I think it's like $800 normally. It's very rare to come by one of those ladders, the 6-step ladders. So I'm pretty psyched on that. 200 bucks is a pretty good deal. Anyways, we're building this deck. We have the rails mounted up in there. I bought some 1.5 by 1.5 aluminum square tube, and we're gonna screw it together. We're not gonna weld it. If it'll hold me, I think we're set. So let's get to cutting all this aluminum up and then drilling holes, finishing this deck up, because I am tired of walking up the ladder. Literally a ladder, which is sketchy. So let's get to work. So this, let's need to drill this in here. That way, heavier than they look, man. So if I drill a small hole, and then I need to place this one where this one ends. Okay, I'm sort of happy with that right there. 260-pound monster on here. Just need to get the hang of how to put this ladder out. Okay. So we changed our design a little bit from the vinyl plank that we were going to do at first. We actually did, this is vinyl decking, so something that you would install, this is common around our area, on your deck outside, and then you cover it with this vinyl. This is extremely durable. Like, this is made for outside. It was quite the task getting it in here because it's really thick. It's like I'd say 1/8 of an inch thick. We have a family member that actually does this for a living, so he offered to do this instead of the vinyl plank, and we definitely are not disappointed with going this way. Everything is super waterproof. Like, we'll never really have to think about it leaking. So now we're installing the cedar planks on the ceiling, and then we'll have a light strip, and then we'll finish off this bathroom with installing our toilet thing, so we'll do that. Okay, so what we got is a composting toilet. We went with the Ogo one. Keep in mind it does not come with a vent, which kind of sucks. I had to order that after. That was, by the time it was shipped, it was like 70 bucks. Anyways, we marked out a hole for the vent, and I'm gonna drill a hole right now, and then we'll get this toilet bolted down. It is 1,500 Canadian dollar plus the vent, so $1,600 plus tax. I hope it feels as comfortable as $1,600 bucks, but we'll find that out at a later point. So, we're installing our drain, or not drain, I guess, our vent line for this thing. There we go. So this goes here, and then the other end goes right here. And then there's a power, and we'll screw it down to the ground. We're doing some finishing work on the shower. I picked up this kit a while ago. It's a 12-inch rainfall shower. So we're just going to install most of it here this evening, and then we got everything for that done. I think this goes here. Yes. This one goes for the handheld piece. So I don't know why this is here. I don't know why you would need these drywall things for a shower. Anyways, doesn't matter. So, I think I'm putting it the right direction. Haven't been plumbing for a while now, so I forget which way to wrap it now. Okay. Just got the silicone mat. So I installed this Max Air fan a long time ago, and we just have to finish it off. So I have to install this, kind of like that. Now I need a spray foam. Just pump a bunch of spray foam on, and then this kind of goes over top, and then gets screwed in. So I'm just gonna finish that off. pretty good draw. So we got the shower done, we got the bathroom ready to go. Kind of want to take a shower in there just to check out the rainfall shower. The shower is actually nicer in here than it is in my house. And also we got the deck done, so we don't have to walk up and down our sketchy orange ladder, which is not tall enough, but we may do. So we're just wrapping up the truck. We've got a few things left to do before we do our shakedown run, and that'll be happening in the next week or two. So stay tuned for that video. If you haven't already, like, comment, share, and subscribe. That'll help us grow, and we'll see you next week.